Hi friends, welcome to my channel All in One Ali in English. So we are going to discuss today in the video complete not a review, actually it's about Mi 10 which has launched today at 12 noon. So many of the fans are waiting for this time, and due to corona situations it hasn't launched for long period of time. So today finally it has launched, and what are the specifications it has and what are the flaws it has, and is it a worth that means it is a worth for money what we are each penny we are spending. It's 50,000. It's starting from the 50,000 50k price. In that point of view we will getting the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory, and 55,000 price. For the 55,000 price you are getting the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal memory. And the camera department, when we are coming to camera department, it has got world's first 108 megapixel camera, which has an aperture of 1.69 aperture, and it has also got 13 megapixel camera for ultra wide angle, and it has got 2 megapixel for the macro camera. And it's called as macro camera. For the people who don't know what is macro camera is nothing but the nearest objects to the camera, whatever the nearest objects into the camera, capturing that nearest object is nothing but macro camera. Macro camera is also 2 megapixel, and we have got the aperture 108 megapixel of camera. It has an aperture of 1.69, and 8 mega and 2 megapixel camera. It has got aperture of 2.4 aperture, and 13 megapixel 2.4 aperture, and also 2 megapixel for 2 megapixel for the depth sensor. And this depth sensor is also has a 2.4 aperture. And along with this, front megapixel offers 20 front camera offers that 20 megapixel camera, and it's an aperture of 1.7 aperture. And along with these, the phone comes with 90 hertz refresh rate, and the 6.67 inches. It's not a quad HD display. It's very big disappointment, and it has got only 90 hertz refresh rate with 180 hertz touch sampling rate. And other than that, we are going to discuss about that wireless charging. Finally, the flagship specifications are top notch specifications are there in this mobile. And wireless charging, it supports 10 watts and 30 watts fast charging is also supported. It's a non-removable battery, and it offers 4708 50 mAh battery, and 30 megapixel and 10 watts wireless charging, as I have said just now. And along with that, actually it hasn't got a quad HD display. It's a very big disappointment, but adding advantage to this mobile, it has got 8K video recording. Yes, you have heard right, the first 8K video recording specifications were included in this beast, and this beast name is called as Mi 10. So how good it takes the video, and how the clarity will be there in the mobile, and how detailed description of each and every object will be captured through that camera. We have to see through that video recording sensation Mi 10 when it will be coming over the market, and when it will be sold, and it will be coming it will be known by everyone. And the disappointments I got from this mobile is price is like hell. It has got the price of 50k price. But specifications are also good, but not that good. Where OnePlus is offering 120 hertz refresh rate, the price point of view, when we consider the price point of view, it's offering uh, 8 GB RAM. It's also offering 8 GB RAM specifications. OnePlus 8, not OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus 8 is also there. It offers 120 hertz refresh rate, and here 90 hertz refresh rate for 50k. There it's OnePlus 8, which is a base, which is not a top-notch model, but it's a second-level model OnePlus 8, and it offers also same 90 hertz refresh rate. It's about 45. So 8K recording it's there, but as per my estimation, Mi that doesn't have that much of market. 50k price for that, I don't believe no one is going to take. 120 hertz refresh rate is something which the people are expecting, but 90 hertz is not understandable. Price is little hefty. And other than that, Go ahead HD setup, everything is good, but the price is not at all good. So wireless charging, same. The OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Pro is offers it also offers 30 watts wireless, 30 watts fast charging, wireless charging. It also supports 10 watts reverse wireless charging. It supports. So everything, as per my consideration, the camera department, everything, I will go with OnePlus, and as specifications wise, OnePlus is better, and it's got Oxygen OS, which gives which gives a very the very good experience when compared to other mobile brands. Like the Oxygen OS is the best OS in Android mobiles till now. So I will go with OnePlus, and apart from this, the additional advantage which has got MI is the we can operate the televisions, air conditions, and everything with the those specific with that. With the MI in each and every mobile on MI, we will be getting that controlling that sensor. That sensor will be there. That was called a TV operating sensor will be there. So through the TV operating sensor, air conditions and anything you can operate with that. So that's one kind of advantage to this mobile. But price is very heavy. Specifications are also good, but in that price range, that doesn't have the market. So it's a very big disappointment for the MI fans. You can go for the OnePlus. OnePlus is the best brand, and it has got very good specifications. OnePlus 8 Pro also. It got the camera department has got 48 megapixel camera, 48 megapixel for the ultra wide angle and ultra wide angle, and other than that, 8 megapixels for the telephoto lens. Telephoto lens, the mainly used for the to take the photos of which are away from the camera, which are very long from the way we are standing. So that's also very good. And front 16 megapixel camera, and the aperture is also 1.7 1.79 2.2 aperture of each and other camera. 8 megapixel is there, and 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera for to filter the objects which we see in front of our camera. To filter the object, that 8 megapixel camera is also, that 5 megapixel camera is used, and 8 megapixel, other 8 megapixel is the depth sensor to take the photos of that depth sensor is there. And if you are the fan and you are the deadly fan, then you can go with MI, but MI10 is very very heavy in price. So it's about your thinking. So it's my opinion on today's launch. Thank you so much for watching video. Jai Hind.